Every bottle of premium avocado oil begins here, in sun-drenched orchards where nature and science work together to create liquid gold.
The Hass variety dominates 95% of commercial production. These fruits can contain up to 30% oil content in their creamy flesh.
Farmers carefully monitor each tree throughout the 10-month maturation process, testing for optimal oil development.
Harvesting happens only when fruits reach physiological maturity. A minimum of 24% dry matter content ensures maximum oil yield.
First quality control begins in the field. Only perfectly formed, healthy avocados continue to processing. Temperature control begins immediately. Refrigerated transport maintains fruits at 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit to slow respiration.
Most premium oil production facilities are located within 50 miles of major growing regions to ensure freshness.
Within hours of harvest, avocados begin their journey to the extraction facility.
Welcome to one of the world's most advanced cold-pressed avocado oil facilities.
The receiving department operates 24/7 during harvest season, ensuring no fruit sits waiting.
Each delivery is logged with harvest date, orchard location, and variety information for complete traceability.
Blockchain technology tracks every avocado from specific trees to finished bottles, ensuring transparency and quality.
Now begins the transformation. Approved fruits enter the automated processing line.
Food-grade sanitized water removes pesticide residues and surface contaminants.
Soft bristle brushes gently scrub each fruit's surface, while continuous water flow carries away impurities. A final rinse with potable water ensures pharmaceutical-grade cleanliness. Forced air drying removes surface moisture before sorting begins. Artificial intelligence and multispectral imaging now take over quality control. Each fruit is photographed 40 times per second from all angles, analyzing size, color, and defects. Air jets fire in milliseconds, diverting imperfect fruits with 99.7% accuracy. Fruits are graded into small, medium, and large categories. Larger avocados proceed to oil production.
Perfect avocados now wait in climate-controlled staging, ready for extraction within 2 hours of washing.
Human oversight ensures the AI systems maintain peak performance throughout every shift.
Now comes the critical separation, removing peel and pit to access the oil-rich flesh. Each avocado is oriented precisely. Laser sensors detect the stem end for proper alignment. Surgical-grade blades cut through skin and flesh in 0.3 seconds, following the natural contour. The skin peels away in complete strips, leaving pure, green flesh untouched. Human inspection ensures no foreign material enters the next phase. The flesh now enters the pulping system, where cellular walls are carefully broken down.
Controlled crushing ruptures cell walls, releasing oil droplets suspended within the fruit's structure.
Precision screens separate the smooth paste from fibrous material, ensuring silky oil texture.
The result is a uniform paste, similar to guacamole, with millions of microscopic oil droplets.
Temperature is critical. The paste is maintained below 40 degrees Celsius to preserve nutrients and flavor compounds.
Continuous sampling ensures consistency, batch after batch.
The paste now moves to malaxation, perhaps the most critical step in producing premium cold-pressed oil. Malaxation is where science meets art. This slow kneading process determines oil quality and yield.
Each 500-liter batch enters temperature-controlled chambers for precise conditioning. Slow rotating paddles gently knead the paste at 30 revolutions per minute for 45 to 60 minutes. This controlled agitation causes tiny oil droplets to collide and merge into larger droplets, easier to extract. Precision temperature control keeps the paste between 35 and 40 degrees Celsius. Any hotter would damage delicate nutrients.
Computerized controls adjust every variable: temperature, speed, and timing for optimal oil release.
Patience is essential. Rushing this step reduces yield and compromises that signature emerald color.
Hermetic sealing with nitrogen prevents oxidation, preserving the fresh, buttery avocado aroma.
After perfect conditioning, the paste advances to the extraction phase, where oil finally separates.
This is the heart of production, a 3-phase decanter centrifuge spinning at 3,000 RPM.
Inside, the paste separates into 3 distinct phases: solid pomace, water, and pure oil.
Centrifugal forces 3,000 times stronger than gravity separate components by density in seconds. The moment of truth. Pure avocado oil emerges as a brilliant emerald stream, rich with chlorophyll and carotenoids. This distinctive color indicates unrefined, extra virgin quality, preserved by cold processing below 50 degrees Celsius.
The water phase, containing natural fruit moisture, is treated and recycled for cleaning operations.
Solid pomace, still containing valuable fiber and nutrients, exits for livestock feed production. Natural settling allows residual fruit solids to separate by gravity over 24 hours. A final centrifuge polishing step removes the last traces of suspended particles.
Even crystal clear oil undergoes meticulous filtration to ensure premium shelf stability.
Ceramic membranes reduce particle size to 5 microns, removing microscopic impurities.
Final polish filtration to 1 micron produces the pristine clarity consumers expect. Visual inspection confirms perfect clarity. No haze, no sediment, just pure liquid gold.
Spectrophotometric analysis detects refining or adulteration, proving our oil is truly extra virgin.
Gas chromatography confirms our fatty acid profile, 70% heart-healthy monounsaturated oleic acid.
Certified tasters evaluate aroma and flavor. Premium avocado oil should taste fresh, buttery, and slightly grassy.
Each batch contains 3.6 milligrams of vitamin E per 30 ml, powerful antioxidant protection.
Approved oil moves to temperature-controlled storage tanks, ready for the final journey to bottles.
Welcome to the bottling hall, where 10,000 bottles per hour receive their precious cargo.
Transparent glass bottles allow visual inspection of purity and clarity, essential for premium oil quality.
Every bottle undergoes sterile air cleaning before filling. Pharmaceutical-grade cleanliness.
Volumetric filling ensures precise amounts, 250 ml, 500 ml, or 1 liter formats with 99.9% accuracy.
Nitrogen flushing displaces oxygen, preventing oxidation and extending shelf life to 24 months. Tamper-evident caps seal each bottle, torqued to exact specifications for perfect preservation. Distinctive green safety caps with tamper-evident seals complete each Chosen Foods bottle, ensuring product integrity from factory to consumer. Permanent laser marking on each Chosen Foods clear glass bottle ensures complete traceability from orchard to consumer table. Scanners verify every Chosen Foods barcode and printed date, 100% traceability compliance for every clear glass bottle. Backlit inspection of every Chosen Foods clear glass bottle detects fill level variations while showcasing the vibrant golden green oil quality. Robotic packers handle 200 Chosen Foods clear glass bottles per minute, arranging them safely in protective packaging. Each case containing Chosen Foods clear glass bottles is sealed, labeled, and prepared for palletization.
Stretch wrapping secures Chosen Foods pallets for their journey to distribution centers worldwide.
Automated inventory systems track every Chosen Foods pallet using RFID technology. First in, first out rotation guaranteed.
Orders for Chosen Foods products are fulfilled within 24 hours of receipt. Fresh product reaching customers rapidly.
Refrigerated logistics maintain the cold chain for Chosen Foods products from factory to distributor.
Our fleet delivers Chosen Foods products to distribution centers across North America within 48 hours. Eye-catching Chosen Foods displays with showcase the vibrant oil quality while educating consumers about avocado oil's high smoke point and health benefits.
In homes worldwide, Chosen Foods bring the nutritional power of avocados to every meal, from salad dressings to high-heat searing. From sun-soaked orchards to your table, this is the remarkable journey of Chosen Foods premium avocado oil.